In this section, I'm going to show you how to create an online course inside of Teachable. But I think it's important to note that you can sell other digital products as well, such as ebooks, audio programs, templates, or workbooks using Teachable's online course creation feature. I'll provide examples of how to set up other types of digital products in the bonus section of this tutorial. For now, we're just going to go over the basics of creating an online course, setting up a sales page, and setting up your payment accounts so that you can access your funds when a student or customer makes a purchase. Teachable allows you to create as many courses or products as you want, so you can come back and follow this process whenever you want to set up a new course or digital product. To get started, click on the Courses tab, and then click the button that says New Course. In the next section, we'll create a title and subtitle for your course.